Okay, you get it. Please. Maybe don't.
Okay. What's up, guys, and welcome to the old world. Yeah, we are back here at the factory. Why do we always land at the factory? Yeah, we are back at the factory. And, yeah, we're gonna find some more spooky monsters. This is our nature documentary. Now I'll go find some monsters. Hey, jump for free Robux. Okay? Oh, you're lying! No, don't go in the lasers! They'll hurt you! Don't go in! Okay? I thought you were an interviewer. And here we have a bomb-throwing creature! This is a very dangerous creature.
Duck.
What? Ooh, it's a robot dog. Very still. And here we have a wild Gary snail. Very dangerous.